Shrine of chess. Shrine of chess.
Emotep.
Emotep.
I have no items from this area because I've just been staring at the monkeys.
Stop calling them monkeys. They're beetles.
They're monkeys.
They're not monkeys.
They're gorillas.
They're gone. Wait, no, I can
No,
still see the triangles.
they're still there.
I can see the triangles just moving around like a bunch of.
Yeah, you can see them doing it through the wall.
I was like standing on top of the mountain and I looked down and I see these three assholes just circling each other.
Alright, say your last goodbyes to him, boys.
No!
Why?
No!
Why? What's
He's
happening?
gonna, he's
Say
gonna use
goodbye.
the Shrine of Order.
Tell
Say
me
goodbye.
about
Even
the
tried
rabbits,
to join them
George.
yet.
Tell him.
Tell me about the rabbits, Jim, Jeffrey, and George.
I gotta go say goodbye to them real quick.
They can't keep going on like this.
Oh, they're fighting. They're fighting.
No, they don't move though. They only.
They're entangled with. Imagine you like raise like three kids even. We have 3 children, and they grow up and one day they go to like a lightning pole and they just start like running in circles around it and they don't stop.
Wait, I think
It hurts.
Steve-
You're gonna put them up for adoption.
they're attacking
trying to kill-
Steve.
They're attacking.
Steve, what
I
did kill
used
you?
the hellfire
What did you
item.
do?
I used the bird
They're
item.
hitting nothing. They're fucking pissed.
Steve, you angered them.
Oh, one of them went back. They're like, guys, look what I found, guys.
Yeah, come back. Ole. This guy's frozen. He's not moving.
I feel like I'm gonna vomit.
Matt's coming back.
Yes, they're
Come
gonna
back.
This one's over here like, I wonder if there's more to life than Oh, he's back. Never mind.
I know.
Goodbye,
Let's let them
boys.
have their final time,
their final circle.
their final circle.
All right, goodbye, boys.
Let them be happy. This actually, I feel really sad doing this.
Yeah, they're doing it again.
Oh, he's
Wait, did you
coming
do
back.
it?
Daddy, don't do it.
Oh, that's so sad, actually.
He's like, Dad, come look at, look at what we're doing. All right, son, let's go see it. Come on, show me. There's something cool over here. Come here.
Dad.
Dead.
Can you go to Disneyland?
Look,
He's coming.
look at your brother and sister, dude. They're over here. Look
Yeah,
at
come on, be like them. Look at what they're doing. They're
Yeah,
doing the
look.
running around the thing.
He's like, I know we're going to die.
this.
All right, they're back to circling, Matt. Now's your chance.
All right, they've gained sentience.
Run! I don't want you. Ah!
You got him back.
They're still here.
I don't think yellow items get replaced.
Dude, you saw it. Your children.
I can't get rid of them.
Look at how happy they are.
I can't get rid of them.
Children, the boss is here. What are they doing?
I can see them circling still.
Come say hello.
Say hello to your new brother, TC280.
You're evil.
Target lockdown, monkey.
Oh, I gotta do my taxes.
Yeah, me too. Well, at least Matt can write off 4 dependents.
Dude, Matt, if you got backup
Wait a
and then you
minute.
got a bunch of fuel cells.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I have. All right, now I think 5 fuel cells should be good.
That's pussy talk.
Well, I mean, when you put it like that,
I'm about to onslaught this shit, dude.
what does that mean?
Let's go fight it. Let's go, dude. I'm
Oh,
ready.
wait, I want to get some more.
Bring them hell.
Oh my
Bring
god!
them hell,
It's a
Nathan.
green bar.
Bring them hell, Nathan.
I have all.
Rain down upon them. Rain down.
Where is it? What is it? Oh,
I'm
oh give me
dying.
more. My frame rate. The power.
Look at.
I can't see. Oh, the frame rate. No.
We did it. We killed them both. Holy
Oh,
shit.
Green items. I'm gonna go trade these in at the thing.
Fuck.
All right, boys. I'm about to beat her busted.
Oh,
Oh, they're dying like flies.
Oh, I'm seeing the X's. No, my kids. We invite the challenge of the mountain with 50 flying men, 3
Alright,
gorillas, and
ready?
a big-ass whale drone.
Yeah, I'm ready. Go. Rise!
Okay, the gamers rise up.
my frame rate is like 2.
My Q is on a 5-second cooldown. Oh my god, look at the health bars. They're going beyond the health bar at the bottom.
I think the good thing is that this thing will literally never aim at us because there's too much shit in the sky for it to hit instead. What do we get? Another Vito fuel shells!
Oh!
I hear you've summoned the boys. I don't even have to look on the left. I can just hear.
I'm doing it for no reason.
My frame rate.
I can see them all in the air.
It extends like to the bottom of the health.
Touching my
Oh my
health
god.
Guys, I think my life just goes downhill from here. I don't.
I mean, where else can it go?
After this game ends, what do we do?
Reevaluate? Or...
I think I'm gonna die just because I
See ya,
can't
bitch.
control what's going on when the boss is happening.
Don't worry, she's dead. Look at that. I love that it extends past the health bar.
Yeah. I
okay.
mean,
Oh!
Oh my god! Oh!
we did it.
Bodies hit the
This is what it means.
10 try. Oh my god, there's so many bulls.
Sounds like my Saturday night.
I was trying to think of something, but I just didn't because I was like, it's gonna be stupid no matter what I say.
Yeah,
That's
I
how
don't
you're
think I'm
wrong.
gonna get the backup just because I have to keep these capacitors.
Oh, okay, so you're gonna be a pussy,
Oh,
is what I'm hearing.
damn it.
You gotta crash the game.
Damn it, now I'm being peer pressured into it.
Go crazy. Go stupid.
Go crazy, go stupid, go crazy, go stupid. Ah!
Oh. No, you didn't activate him near the boss. They can't find him. He's over here.
Oh, go stupid, go useless.
The other issue about this is like I never tell if I need to put my turrets back down or not because I can't see their health bars. I think. Oh, am I lagging? What the fuck is going on?
Guys,
Where are the wisps? I cannot target them with my Q.
I can't see my health bar. I don't know if I'm living or dying.
Careful, there's
It's
a
like
raptor.
300.
There's an alpha or like a big elite raptor. He can probably one-shot you.
one shot my cock.
Dumbest response. What the fuck? I fell through the floor. Look at me.
Where are you? Oh my god!
Exactly.
Look down.
Dude, I can't-
Matt, look straight down.
What the fuck? I can't die. No, I can't. What the hell?
I wonder what
can't
happens
even
if you
die
summon
down
your
here.
Summon your goons, dude.
They're all here.
I see all the arrows.
Oh,
down.
I found like hidden content.
Oh no! I think Nathan spawned in the skeleton thing.
No.
Dude, no. Oh my god. I'm stuck.
What?
Come
Oh,
to me.
we have to find the pressure plates and open the door, Matt. He's
I'm trapped behind bars. Have my goons. Oh no, there's a big lizard down here.
Oh yeah, there's two big lizards.
Step on it,
Don't
Matt.
step on it.
Step on it.
I stepped on it.
Opening.
Did it open?
Freedom. Freedom. I can
I
breathe.
did it. We did
I
it.
can fight.
Nathan, we need your help.
Where are you?
Okay, I'm doing
We
it.
gotta kill this quick.
Oh my god,
Oh.
it's an elite clay dune strider.
Good luck.
Thanks. It has seven. I can't. I can't
Yes,
speak. There's too much going on. It has 713,000 health.
Just the one.
Also, I'm going to die.
Also, is it blazing?
Yeah, it's blazing. It's just.
Oh
one.
yeah, you guys are fucked.
We did no damage to
That's
it.
all we do around these parts.
Hey,
I'm
Matt,
dying. I'm dying.
I got an idea.
Power.
Don't get
power.
sucked, guys.
Oh my god, these aren't friendly monkeys.
No, man.
No, they aren't. Those are not friendly.
Where
Fellas,
is
it's
it?
all up to you. Oh my god, everything's dead.
Everything died. Oh,
the
there it is.
sidebar has nothing anymore.
Will-o-wisp.
Fellas, it's been a great. Oh my god, it's almost been 100 minutes. Yaggo, you gotta survive for 30 seconds so we can get to 100 minutes.
I mean,
It's like it's so bad.
what?
Oh,
Why
oh
get
my God.
You can have a tough time.
I think I could have done it if I
No!
would have dodged. I think the boss is almost dead. I did 3.5 million damage. 99.30. Sorry, fellas.